And what do we have here up on the shelf? I like any type of glass figurine. I have a sale. It's over here in my box. These are Pioneer Woman Flea Market Red napkins. 2 packages. They're new in package. These are so fun, and I like picking up Pioneer Woman. These are the 18-inch square. There's different patterns in here. How fun are these? This is a Poshmark sale. I paid $4.12 for the pair, and I sold them for $17. I have a sale. It's not the candles. I haven't even listed those yet. Thank goodness I didn't list them during the heat wave. This has some of those toy cars and trucks and all that in here. And yep, that's the one. I sold that one. Did I ever tell you guys that Superman is one of my favorite superheroes? I love the whole Superman and superheroes, like sagas, all the movies, all the cartoons, comic books. I watched Smallville back in the day. This says Daily Planet on it, on the newspaper there. Superman saves the world. Just love that. This is I gotta turn this around so we can see it. It says Corgi Jr.'s Leyland Terrier. And it is made in Great Britain, it says. It doesn't say England, it says Great Britain on it. Thought that was interesting. Got this from my daughter, who found the big giant box or bag of all the toy cars and airplanes and helicopters and motorcycles and all of that. And I picked this one out to list up along with a few other ones. I have not listed that up, and all of those are on the back burner now. I will list those up later some other time. I'm so glad this sold, so I don't have any cost into this. She paid for it, and then she told me just to keep the profits, but I usually spend the profits on her anyways, or me and her. But I sold this for $14.99 plus shipping. I am at the Lover's Lane Sports Complex. This place is amazing. It's huge. It's back there. There's a fire station back there, plenty of parking. Soccer fields on either side. And it was built, it said 2017. It's got walking trails. People are out with their pets, walking and jogging. And look at this gorgeous playground over here. Love the colors of it, but it looks so brand new. It says here at Bowling Green Parks and Recreation, we believe everyone plays and everyone plays together. It is our goal to help all individuals communicate during their play experience in our park. Oh, it's like, it looks like sign language on here. That's interesting. The equipment here, the play equipment, is designed for 2 to 5 or 5 to 12-year-olds. I get that. I love these swings over here. There are benches that swing. Just all kinds of interactive play equipment. We didn't have this kind of a playground when I was growing up, for sure. Wawa is one of our favorite convenience stores from Pennsylvania, and they just had a grand opening, so of course I attended here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I was so excited. While having dinner last night, I noticed that up and across the way was a Goodwill. Don't know how I missed it when I was looking up thrift stores the other day, but I was like, well, I'm definitely coming back to it. And I'm in the parking lot right now. Let's go in and see what I can find to flip online. Color of the week is red, 50% off Monday through Saturday and 99 cents on Sunday. And if you took this survey, you could possibly win $100. This shelf with the holiday items and a bunch of other items are packed in there. I did look through it a little bit, didn't see anything to put in my cart. They were playing really good music, so I had to mute it, but this is me finding that glass figurine. It's an elephant for $1.99. It's a paperweight. Kind of checking it for chips in the cart, my first item. I headed straight over to get this item. It's plastic. It fooled me. $2.99. These bag toys were fun to look at. I did look through a few of them, but nothing that I could put in my cart. I just found this Eagles hat for $4. Yep, I'm putting that in the cart. And there's a North Face one here too. They want $5.99 for it, so I'm going to put that back. I'm going to keep looking through the hats here. I headed over to the linens area and I saw these Pioneer Woman new with tag placemats. So pretty. 2 different patterns, but they wanted $3.99 for each one. I'm so sad. Since red tags are 50% off, let's go look in the women's clothing area. I did find a few goodies in this area, but let's head back over to the hard goods. And what did I see? A whole stack of dishes. And of course they made it into the cart, and you can see some of the women's clothing that I picked up on the back of the cart. I picked up a few of these just to comp them out. If you can get them at garage sales or church sales for like 50 cents, they're worth picking up. They usually sell between 10 and 12 bucks. They were asking $2.99 for each of these, so I did put them back. Oh my, what do we have here? High-heeled wedged Crocs in bright yellow. Would you have picked these up? It took a bit of searching, but I did find some goodies. I got hopeful once I found that paperweight, and the shelves were stocked full, like really stuffed, overstuffed, so you had to really look in and kind of dig around a little bit. And I went through the home goods section first, and I went over to clothing, went over to the linens, then I went back to clothing, and I thought, let me take one more round through, because again, not only was there a lot of people in there shopping, but there was a lot of employees, and they were bringing out stuff constantly, this constant movement, which is not typical of most of the Goodwills I've been in. I've never seen so many employees running the store. And so when I did my second pass, that's when I found the plates. Of course, I recognize them right away. They are Corral. And I was like, oh, well, let me just look these up, because, you know, not all Corrals are the same. And this one was called Abundance. And I thought, well, for $7.99, it's a whole set. The bowls, the plates, the dinner plates alone, 4 of them go for about $25, so I'm already would be in the good. And then I have the bread plates and the salad plates, so I'm like, for a whole set, I just can't not pick them up. And so I got another set of plates. I am like the crazy plate lady at this point. Let me turn the camera around and we will do the haul. I got my Eagles hat. Go Birds. We are Eagles fans, so this is for me. I know my husband, I think, already has this exact same one, so now I have a hat to match. I have a pink Eagles hat. I have a pink one. Now I have a green one. this little guy. I'm always going to be picking up paperweights if they're not chipped and they're in good shape. He has bubbles in there. He's got a smooth pontil. I kind of love him. Trunk up little elephant. Love the color for $1.99. He could be like in that $8 to $10 range. I did not do a search on him yet. I'd be happy with that, but who knows? He might be something special and goes for more, because sometimes when there's bubbles in there, it means they're hand blown. I don't see it signed or anything like that, so it's not signed, so that's okay. I like having lots of paperweights on hand. The clothing, you can see, all very colorful, all summer. 3 of them are like Karen Scott's, and one of them is another brand. I'm going to do these in my live sales. So they were originally $5.99 each, but red tags were half off, so $3 for each of the tops, and I got 4 of those. And, you know, I do those live sales at, you know, I start them at $12 for each of the tops, and that's how I do it. And I'm also, you know, I don't have to sell them that way. I can put them on Poshmark and eBay. Some of these brands, they don't go for all that much. It's kind of funny. Some of them go for less on eBay than I'm selling them on my live sales. But when you do a plus size show, they get to see all the different ones and get to pick which ones they want. And because there's all these buyers in there, it gives that sense of urgency. Like, if I like it, I better bid on it. So kind of like that. And then here is the Corral plates, the abundance. So it looks like 4 bowls, 4 bread plates, 4 of the salad. Although that looks like more than 4 there. And 4 of the dinner plates. So that'll be a good flip. Don't forget to water your sign, especially in this heat. I am back at one of the thrift stores that I went to, and I was debating about buying something and didn't, and I was editing my video, and I'm like, why did I not pick them up when I saw them? You guys can probably guess what I'm talking about. I'm at the Centers of Hope thrift store. Let's go in, and I'm going to cross my fingers that they're still on the shelf. And they are not. They are gone except for a few volumes. There were 2 books left. One was called Assassins and the other one was called Apollyon. If you can find them for the right price and can lot them up, they go for about $10 a piece. And of course, we had to come to Mammoth Cave National Park in Kentucky. It is a must-see. Down we go. There is so much to experience in Kentucky. Check out my second channel, Starts with Coffee Adventures. My daughter has her own channel, Green Bee Explorer. She also is going to have our adventures on there. I kept going back to that Wawa and getting coffee. This is my hazelnut coffee with my hazelnut creamer from Wawa, and I'm back in the park to enjoy it. We also stopped at a used bookstore called the Half Price Book Outlet, and look what I found for myself. These are just 6 of them. If you bought 8, you got 2 free, so I got 8. We also did some trail walking at the Lost River Cave because it's free. We stopped at Cheney's Dairy Barn. And then we went to the Dueling Grounds Distillery over in Franklin, Kentucky, and did a tasting there. Please subscribe to my channel here, Left Lane Finds, and to my second channel, Starts with Coffee Adventures, and my daughter's channel, Green Bee Explorer. Put any comments down below, and I'll see you guys later.